Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on App Management. Then click on Permission Manager and pick one of your phone's features like Location. Then you need to select one of your apps. I will go with Maps because it has a lot of options, and select one of those. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask over time or deny. I will go with allow all the time, so when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can also just tap on one of your apps, select, see all Maps permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!